Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to create content like human in 2025 using Humanize AI. So, talking about Humanize AI, Humanize AI is a tool that helps makes AI generated text stand for human. Think of it an AI humanizer or humanize AI text tools. It's designed to take AI text and make it sound less robotic and more like human writing. So that is one of the most fun things about this website is try to transform the AI writing from the robot to human, make it more human and less robotic. Now, this Humanize helps you bypass the AI detection. You get that now. So, if the one of the purpose is just to make it surpass the AI detection by making your AI generated text looks like natural. Many content creators use it to improve their content creation process, like converter that change AI into human text. And why do you think this is important? So this actually important is sometimes AI things can easy for AI detection. So if you are using AI and in some cases you want just to come up with a project and use AI, there are some AI detectors that can detect AI writings, but with the use of these AI tools, it can convert the AI writing into more human AI that makes your text or your writings more natural and more simple and straightforward with human thinking. And that is human has also helped, and AI has also helped to create human-like content to surpass the AI detector check, which is awesome. So talking about the AI humanize or humanize AI, the humanize AI was created by a specific complaint which is not reviewed. So we also provide their details. So if you want more of them, you can just simply go to the official website and check about about the company of the website, about the contacts. Then from there you can check about the historical background of this AI website, and also you can check the pricing based on this AI website, because I'm very sure this website is not free. Don't ever think it is free, because this actually does a great job. So if you are a student and you need something like a game changer, this is a game changer for you. So you can just copy this and convert it into more human AI that make it less for AI detector to detect your text or your writing. So here's the readability mode. If you're a high school student, you will speak from your. It is for high school. If you want to generate writing for high school, just pick high school. Then you want to generate writing for universities, for doctorate, for journalists, for marketing. Just pick any category. Then this is the purpose for writing. If it is for AI writing, if it is for general writing, essay paper, articles, stories, cover letters, and prompts. These are those. Then they can also switch to ultra mode. So for you to be able to switch to ultra mode, you have to sign up now to use ultra mode, and also ultra mode is enabled for logging in the users when you please sign in to use ultra mode. So you cannot just use ultra mode outside this website. You can use ultra mode, and also you have to create an account. Basically, to create an account, you have to get started. this button right here, which is blue icon button, which is get started. Also tap on it back to sign in to an account. Testing your password is your email, you create an account using a strong password, then follow the prompts, which is going to be easy on the other hand. Then check the price list of the website. You try out the Humanize AI test tools. So here the pricing list. They have the pro, they have the standard, they have the essential, which is just normal paid website for other people. So if you actually pay for this essential, then they have a month access, which is a month, which is $7 per month, paid annually. Consider what. So if you choose this, these are the list of services that's going to be rendered to you. So you have about 20,000 words per month. Then premium model. You also have access AI detector. You also have high quality test and multiple modes. Then the progressing is free and also customer support. Then you can also cancel any fine you want. Then you also go for the $12, which is billed annually. These are this. So compared to the first one, which is about 20,000 words per month, this is 50,000 words per month. Premium model, AI pass detector, AI quality test, multiple modes, then with pricing free and customer support, cancel anytime. Then this is annually. Yeah, this is annually, which is $29 per month, which is also under it is listed under pro. Those are yearly pricing. So you want to subscribe for a year, so you're going to be paying this $29 per month. So you just have to do overall calculations. So you do that all about 150 words per month. Premium model passes AI detector, high quality test, multiple modes, the paraphrasing is free, customer support, and can also cancel at any time. So you can also choose if it is for the standard you want, or you want pro, or you want an essential. So this is just for annual. Let's go to monthly. This is the monthly price range from 14 per month to 29 per month and 59 per month. And these are the list of the services under the and this. So free. Get up to 1,500 and 3 words per check, completely free. All premium modes are settings available. So you can also use this for free, or you have unlimited access. Just get started. Try this video or turn on the notification button and follow for more.